Well, Dennis, thanks very much for sparing us some time here at SNEC. Obviously, there's been a lot of changes for business models over the last 2 years. It's been transformational for many. What's the main business that ET is currently operating under?
Okay, now we call ET as a solution provider. Of course, the main business is providing, smart solutions to our customers. What about solution? We develop projects, we do the EPC for our customers, and we maintain operating the plant for our customers for 25 years. So the main business is total solution in the downstream for plant, from project development to maintenance and operation.
Okay. Would you therefore not be sort of bullish on the solar manufacturing side when we see the significant upturn and maybe 50 gigawatts of installations around the world?
Well, of course, in China we have a lot of capacity, a lot of manufacturers. They are very professional, the quality is very good. But we are not just focused on solution, we are also focused on R&D of new technology of the module. We try to think how to improve the quality, how to improve the efficiency from the system side. Then we will give a guideline to our factory, to our suppliers, how to improve how to make good module for a system. Yeah, that's the way we do the contribution for the manufacturing.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, what about then your solar farm project development? Do you feel that the industry faces the situation of oversupply, like manufacturing? It's something PV Tech has discussed on many occasions.
I think it's different because for the capacity expansion for the manufacturing business, it's like all manufacturers share the same size of cake. But for the project development, it's like we make the size of the cake larger. We develop project, we will make a project, we will make more demand. It's different. So I don't think it will make it the business like the competition where like manufacturing is different.
I guess another way of looking at it is that you're creating your own market rather than trying to rely on the market buying your products.
That's right.
Okay. What are you talked about? We've talked a little bit about project development there, but what are the sources of revenue for your project business
this year? I think we are forecasting around $350 million US revenue from the project business.
We talked about your R&D efforts because of the range of products, to be a solution, a total solutions provider. Can you give us some idea of what you've done to strengthen R&D and push forward innovation?
Of course, before that, in the past, our R&D is more focused on module and solar cell. And last year, we switched, we changed the strategy, and in the same time, we restructured the R&D team. We hire a lot of people from the energy sector, from the electricity sector. So now our R&D is try to focus on integration system technology, try to focus on how to lower down the LCOE. Our target, the vision of R&D is that we try to achieve the lowest LCOE in the world. Yeah.
What are you doing to actually reduce that LCOE?
Yeah. If you look at the whole cost structure of a plant, in 25 years, you will see that solar module only take around 20% of the cost. The BOS take like 25%. The O&M cost takes around 20%. The rest of that is the project development and the financing cost. That's why we start to focus on the whole value chain downstream. We try to lower down the cost of the project development, the financing, and also of course the EPC cost. And also we try to maintain the plant in a smarter way, try to lower down the maintenance cost. So from the project development and financing until the project maintenance. So we try to focus on every details of a plant, try to lower down the cost, for the whole life cycle.
Right. Well, Dennis, a final question for you. Why do you want to revive an IPO now?
Well, IPO for us it doesn't like the final target for the company. Well, we try to do IPO now because we need money now. Because when we try to do the project development business, project financing business, we need the company, we need the cheap capital to do the project. We think that the resource should be from the capital market. Then the company should be public first. Then we can raise the money easily in future to finance our project. That's why we try to do IPO now. It's really adapt to our strategy.
A lot of China-based companies have not gone down the route of accessing low-cost finance via yield codes or securitization of projects. Are you planning an IPO outside of China?
Yes, we are planning the IPO in US in the street actually, because we are running global business. I think the US capital market is still the most suitable one for us. Yeah.
Well, Dennis, thank you very much.
Thank you.